My car and I see a huge dead possum, but I hear all the stuff like that they like to play dead, and I'm like really scared that he's just gonna pop up and I gotta get in my car. And I'm nervous. What am I gonna do? I don't even want to get in. I'm so scared. Look at him, he's huge. I'm gonna go around and see his face. Ugh. How do I make sure he's really dead? Aw, he looks like a big teddy bear. Wow. I'm scared. Alright. Gonna get in my car. If he I'm scared. Where is he? Ooh, I'm so afraid he's looking at me. Are you sure?
Yeah. We would have moved already.
You think so? I feel like he's looking at me. Okay.
Go fast.
I'm scared. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Alright. His little mother. Uh-oh. Where is he? Yeah. Scary.